What if you could check your emails, navigate streets, or even translate foreign languages without ever picking up your phone? Welcome to the future of augmented reality, where your eyeballs become the screen. This isn't sci-fi anymore. Smart contact lenses are here, and they might just change how we see the world, literally. Smart contact lenses are ultra-thin lenses embedded with tiny displays, sensors, and wireless chips. These lenses sit on your eye just like regular contacts, but they project digital images directly onto your retina. Think of it as a mini-screen inside your eye, without blocking your real-world vision. Tech giants like Mojo Vision, Samsung, and even Google are racing to perfect this AR marvel. Mojo Vision's prototype already offers text overlays, fitness tracking, and night vision, all inside a lens. And guess what? It runs on a micro battery the size of a grain of salt and charges wirelessly. These lenses come with eye-tracking sensors, allowing you to control the interface with just your gaze. Want to zoom in? Just stare at something longer. Need directions? They appear like a hologram in front of you, but only you can see them. It's hands-free, invisible, and always on. Smart contact lenses could revolutionize healthcare, alerting diabetics about glucose levels in real time. In the military, they can provide soldiers tactical AR displays in combat zones. Tourist in Tokyo? The lens can translate Japanese signs into English right in front of your eyes. This is beyond Google Glass. This is cyborg vision. But it's not all clear vision just yet. Regulatory hurdles, eye safety, and privacy concerns are big challenges. Can these lenses be hacked? Can your vision be tracked? Developers say encryption and strict health protocols are in place, but it's a race against trust. The question isn't if smart lenses will become part of your life, it's when. So, would you trust a computer in your eye? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and tap the bell, because the future is blinking at you and you don't want to miss it.